Hello, good day, guys. My name is Nick, technical analyst with SuperForex, and today we are looking at the analysis on the currency pair EUR USD. And first, as usual, we talk about fundamental analysis before we move right down to technicals, which is purely what we'll be seeing on the chart. Now we have seen that EUR USD has been rising, and it has currently rose up to 1.1400. As the GBP USD also has a lift off to 1.2900, and this is possibly going to keep on running until the year end. And around the turn of the year, we are expecting the US dollar, which has tested lower but has then since reversed. At Westpac, we're analyzing the euros, the pound, and also the Swiss franc against the greenback. Now, the USD is looking currently to overpower the European currency, and we're leaving out our landmark on the latest support zones at 1.07408. So a possible breakthrough from this recent minor support would mean touching this major support and then possibly extending to this major support, which from here is 21 pips, and right here is about 44 pips, of course, which is good money. Now, that's our technical analysis on today's currency pair EUR USD. So now let's move over to the stock markets. Hi, welcome back, guys. And on today's stock markets, we're having a look at Textron. And headlining, we're seeing that peering into Textron's recent short interest. Now, Textron's short percent of float has fallen about 5.59% since its last report. And the company has, recently reported that it has about 5.8 million shares sold short, which is about 3.38% of all regular shares that are available for trading. Now, based on its trading volume, it would take traders about 5.53 days to recover their short positions on average. Why short interest matters? We have short interest in the number of shares that have been sold, but have not yet been recovered or closed out. Why short selling is when a trader sells shares of a company they do not want to own with the hope that the price will fall. Why traders make money from short selling if the price of the stock falls, and they lose if it rises. Now, some short interest is important to track because it can, act as an indicator of market sentiment towards a particular stock. An increase in short interest can signal that investors have become more bearish than usual, while a decrease in the short interest would mean that they have become more bullish. But as you can see from the chart above, the percentage of shares that are sold short for Textron has declined since its last report. And this does not mean that the stock is going to rise in the near term, but traders should be aware that less shares are being shorted. While comparing Textron's short interest against its peer comparison, it's a popular technique amongst analysts and investors for gauging how well a company is performing, while a company's peer is another company that has similar characteristics to it, such as industry size, age, and as well as financial structure. And you can find a company's peer group by reading its 10K proxy filling, or by doing, your own similarity analysis. Now, that's our technical analysis on today's stock market, Textron. I remain your host, Nick. Bye for now.